The 2013 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, clock, trip odometer, power door locks, compass, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.